Ladder networks. So ladder networks are of two types. So low pass networks and high pass networks. So first we see the low pass networks. So this is a figure A. Figure A is a low pass ladder network. So figure A shows a low pass ladder network. So here we have to connect inductor in series and a capacitor in parallel. So this is a low pass ladder network. So this is in the form of a ladder. So that's why it is called as a ladder network. So it behaves as a low pass filter. So that's why it is called as a low pass ladder network. So here this network may be considered as a chain of T or pi sections in cascade. So we can represent this low pass ladder network as a chain of T sections in cascade or a chain of pi sections in cascade. So we can represent this as a chain of T sections in cascade or otherwise chain of pi sections in cascade. So now let us look into that T sections and pi sections. So here third point is the T section may be taken from the ladder by removing the portion A, B, C, D producing the low pass filter as shown in figure C. So here we are representing this ladder network, low pass ladder network. So like this. So here I am taking to separate a section. So I have to take out one section. So to take out that one section, we should not disturb the property of the ladder network. So that's why. So for one L, I am representing that with L by 2 and L by 2. L by 2 and L by 2 in series is nothing but L. So here also L by 2 and L by 2 in series is L, and I am not disturbing the capacitor. I am taking only one capacitor. So here in this is the low pass ladder network. So to take out T section or pi section, so first we have to split. If we want to take the T section from this low pass ladder network, first we have to split this L. L as we have to write this L as L by 2 and L by 2 connected in series. So this L also L by 2 and L by 2 connected in series. Then we can take out this section. So this is section A, B, C, D is a T section. So this entire is a low pass ladder network. In this ladder network, if we take out this section, so this section is nothing but a low pass filter section. So L by 2, L by 2 and C. So here the elements are series elements are L by 2, L by 2 and C. So here this entire low pass ladder network can be considered as a chain of T sections. So T section, T section, T section, and that all the T sections are connected in cascade. So here this network may be considered as a chain of T or pi sections in cascade. So here we are taking the chain of T sections connected in series. So similarly remaining inductors and inductors also remaining capacitors and remaining part of the low pass ladder network we can represent in this fashion. So out of all that sections and out of all that low pass ladder network, so if we take out this one section or taking one section, so that is called as a low pass filter section. So this low pass filter section has two inductors whose value is L by 2 and L by 2 and the capacitor value is C. So similarly we have if we represent this in the form of a pi sections, chain of pi sections connected in cascade. So for the same low pass ladder network we can represent in the form of a chain of T sections connected in cascade and also chain of pi sections connected in cascade. So here a pi section may be taken from the ladder as shown in figure D. So this is a figure D by removing A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and producing a low pass filter shown in figure E. So here this is a ladder network. So low pass ladder network. In that ladder network now we have to take out pi section. So to take out pi section, each capacitor, so this is the net capacitor value is C. That shunt branch capacitor C, I am representing that with two capacitors connected in parallel. So C by 2 and C by 2 connected in parallel is C. So similarly here also C by 2 and C by 2 connected in parallel is C. So now we can take out this section. So A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Now this section is called as a low pass filter section. So low pass filter section. So this is the entire ladder network in low pass ladder network. So low pass ladder network, why it is called as a low pass ladder network means, so series elements are inductors and the shunt elements are capacitors. So in that we want only one section, one pi section, particularly one pi section. So at that time, so what is the one pi section low pass filter section is one inductor and a capacitor. So capacitor values are C by 2 and C by 2. Now this is a low pass filter section. So this is a low pass ladder network. So this low pass ladder network can be considered, can be represented as a chain of T sections and also chain of pi sections in cascade. So what is the T sections? So this is the T section. So if we connect this type of T sections in cascade, if you connect this type of T sections in cascade, so that is called as a low pass ladder network. This is a low pass ladder network. So one T section is this low pass filter section, one T section. So similarly, so this is a low pass ladder network, and if you want to represent, if you want to take out one pi section, so this is one pi section. So inductor, C by 2 capacitor and C by 2 capacitor. So next is high pass network, high pass networks. So similarly, high pass network. So this is high pass ladder network. So the high pass network arranged as a ladder is shown in figure A. So if you take again, this is a figure A. So this is a ladder network and this acts as a high pass filter network or high pass ladder network. So in high pass ladder network, so series elements are capacitors and shunt elements are inductors. Parallel elements are inductors and series elements are capacitors. So here also we can represent this with a connection of cascade connection of T sections or otherwise cascade connection of pi sections. So the ladder network can be considered as a cascade of a number of T or pi sections. So first let us look into this T section. So the T section may be taken from the ladder by removing the portion A, B, C, D producing the high pass filter as shown in figure C. So here now out of this high pass ladder network we have to take one T section. So T section means we have to split these capacitors. So how can you write capacitor? One capacitor as a two capacitors connected in series means, so 2C and 2C connected in series and combinedly we get a C. So to take out T section, we have to split this capacitor into two capacitors connected in series. So similarly, we have to split this capacitor, one capacitor into two capacitors connected in series. So that we can do like this. So 2C, so one capacitor can be written as a two capacitors whose values are 2C and 2C. So 2C and 2C value we get a C. So similarly here, this capacitor value is 2C and this capacitor value is 2C. So when they are connected in series, net value becomes a C. So in that way, now we can take out this section, so which is a T section. So A, B, C, D. So this is a T section. So for high pass ladder network, so if you want to represent this with the T sections, so this is one such a T section, 2C, 2C and L. If you take out that, so this is a high pass filter section, 2C, 2C and L. So in similar manner, so if you want to take out a pi section may be taken from the ladder as shown in figure D. So by removing A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and producing a high pass filter shown in figure E. So this is a high pass ladder network. So high pass ladder network. So to represent this in the form of a pi section, we have to split this inductor into two inductors connected in parallel. So how do you represent the inductor in two inductors connected in parallel means, so whose value is L. So here net value should be L. So if you take two inductors instead of one inductor connected in parallel, each inductor value becomes 2L. 2L and 2L connected in parallel becomes L. So in that way, we can split this inductor. So here, one inductor. So this is one inductor. Instead of one inductor, I am taking two inductors connected in parallel. So 2L and 2L connected in parallel gives to L. So 2L and 2L connected in parallel gives to L. So now we can take out this section. So A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So this becomes one pi section. So high pass filter section. So capacitor 2L and 2L. So if you summarize this ladder networks, so in that ladder networks, in that entire ladder networks, we want only one section. So T section and pi section for low pass filter. So this is low pass filter section. So filter section. So out of the entire ladder network, we want only one section. So low pass filter section and high pass filter section. So low pass filter section. So in low pass filter section, so if you represent the ladder network in the form of a T section, then what are the elements of that low pass filter section is L by 2, L by 2 and C. So similarly, for pi section, if you represent that low pass filter section, pi section, so one inductor value of the inductor is L, but capacitor values are C by 2 and C by 2. So similarly, high pass filter section. So in the entire ladder network, if you take only one section, that is a high pass filter section. So if you represent that in the form of a T section, that high pass filter section in T section, so capacitor values are 2C, 2C and L. So if you represent that high pass filter section in pi section, so the element values, capacitor value is C, but inductor values are 2L and 2L. So in series, if there is a inductor, and in parallel if there is a capacitor, then it acts as a low pass filter section. If in series if there is a capacitor, and in parallel if there is a inductors, it acts as a high pass filter section or high pass filter.